Alright, y'all, we're going to run these bath salts for Allison. We have 18 spots at $1 each and buy 2 get 1 free. We'll copy our list and go live at 9:55 p.m. Alright, the list looks good. 9:55, we're going to roll the dice. We'll need a 4 or higher. We have 12, so we'll randomize for the first time at 9:55. After the first time, we have Robin on top and bottom. We had 18 items on our list. We rolled 12, so we'll go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After the 11th time, we have Shalana on top and Robin on the bottom. We have randomized 11 times. Dice was 12, so we'll go for the last time at 9:56 p.m. Good luck. And I have won. We had 18 items on our list. About 18. Myself, I have won. We have randomized 12 times. Dice was 12. So we are done.